the 40 excavators na way.
Me pacho Sambren na mini lobe. Ena me frefre ni esio watch. Adeche na ka 7. Ehona tie ehonom na mini prosini no commander ne kokontokwa no.
Ma me no na semo a wo ka no. Akanfo to bibi o ti emu e wiem. Mu ye wiem. Excavators mako aduanan. Mesre mu emusa no. Site dodo sen and wo call ya otimi ogara eche sa excavators no. A eye aduanan no.
China for customer. Original. Ahanyina. Obia Fabi. Original. Ofa cry baji. Anini 100. Udu wenimba. Udu wechiwe ko.
Na ne ho sansan no Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo ka se oboa ne krata se bibia ye fine. But after say Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo siwie ne se o debi akotama ne sa ne mankoyi. Ena ye se enyo no nko a ya chini associate omo no mka no woni omu yadwuma baako on jasha se tutu na no. Enti charges na dey bo the same charges na money laundering, fraud, and friends causing financial loss to the state, and then false certification. And no year near the gusu a dey bo omo. Galamsey fight Ghana for say John Dramani Mahama. I say oh yeah delay na way ana maami aye friend na Anabisiu oka mineral friend say commission for no na way no ono na ebo ho ban te say ye go no sensem yesu hu sensem te say omo ye illegal man na mo hayen ono ene di mu tentimba na maami awurade nyankopɔ zongo nsem na ni so Anabisiu zongo nsem na ni so ke maami ye shebule proof ene ye check Galamsey for no hey get out. Enter inside the car. Or say we watch 40 excavators. Or take 40 excavators na the thing no. Naka 7. But one ko reporter ko police for am yan kwache. The entire sankrofo na this 40 ni she o monza no. Ye ba naka 7 no. Rather, on police ni ko kon. Enti efuro no tu ni hofo. Say food na rekro. Or take excavator bia na or the engineers beko. Not trackers amudi aboma ntimi ma excavator no nkono oma this ebu sas trackers no Ghana Anabisiu they okay ndi Mahama better there we are sure say John Dramani Mahama Ghanaian favorite the better sweeter dish I wa Ghana is here aduane ne o ton aye better no kese by John Dramani Mahama we are sure say say ne te a bepe there. What season 40 excavators 7 ana de chin yako yaka one reporter am police one go fa no but the police commander ne mumu a o ka se won hweso no kokon e no ano no yapon hwiansi bio ka say it what say Ghana ni nya position on found to NDC ni an MPP ni e kro no ana wane so ba be bo bay 40 abedu 7 ya report ya anti obi ahwiansi maami Anabisiu we se de na ukohu ye wo forest mu o tie dodo san na dodo san na uba ye na aka enti ene honest measures de hia ka che Ghana fo platform ne wo de old burger trends naked true so yetio kasa what?
The 40 excavators na way.
Me pacho Sambren na mini low bed. And na me frefre near you watching. Adechi na ka 7. Ehona tie ehonum na mini prosini no commander ne kokonto kwan. Enti wo dia 7 nyan ne dia machi akosio.
40 excavators na. Ochi ya na wunya low bed no. Ade be chi onya low bed o ko e free 40 abana be ka 7.
Yes sir.
33 etimi free nwura mu.
Yes, enti this time na me call at the time no dia. Me the engineers call. Uniform and non-uniform, both military and police. A coy. And I miss Mrs. Sherman. If it's an no mutu at you. Nancy Domule ambush. Tina make us say, Menu nama means roshi. O yodima funya me. Enti ya kono. Ya nye maybe na engineers and some of the track a bomb. Na ma ye na yentimi movie no mo so ehun se ye no factory na track and kan enti o mo nimdie isi from no makeka na emesi
87 away
there
7 excavators
me patcho ye 8 the next no mesa kwa kofa 2 account
you anabisu ana akase awie na o kana se wi na ka se baby ona dey na wo forest ko nko anti amudwane ja 40 excavators bo ba ya kasa mi a bema bi eni ho amutima kasa yi and you say galamsey for so body gas wo ho and the operation 100 times 100 and o ma ye ready task force 100 times 100 task force o ma ye ready who the see o meyam enti anabizu na nkasa akeneja ka kire say say no esumo wuremu na yehu boys ne ba nguta 20 enta mana she bulletproof no enti ono de onyankopo ka na ehu ti osuro dai josuro wajina mpempenti ojina muni njina o ka kire Ghana for say hwidi we besi ba security men for ne say yen kan kire Ghana for say we be ma trespass
Hanyina Obia Ofabi
ya munji de
original Hanyina Obia Ofabi original Ufakra ya baji enini 100 udu wenimba udu wechibe ko original Hanyina
na when you guys ene se galamsey tonkot tontwasa ene akonta man info ya kasi asisi omulances ne kura ehon ya se hwe Ghana police en kaya nintum akonta man investigation biso ekoso erekodo de ekoso ni na ye sample tietia pa ne kura na ne se chama wuntumi the company IF na akonta man is audit to good according to Ghana ben say galamsey illegal mining only permits and otu according to ono so ono or permits and otu by agene licenses assistant licenses and they know pretty onye me personal aid and you usu wakodi atum on chance issue case no ama na 206,000 fine e da man wotwia ama kodi Ghana ben ho yes ono so na leak information fa chama huntumi ho yes chama huntumi so MPP ni mapa oye Ashanti region MPP omo World Bank in terms of voting ono ye omo regional chairman wo dia as kwa Ashanti region pa na sempa and is onu to go the bad thing so be stop no na ne ho sansamba no na do dan kwa go fado ka se wo ne krata se bibia ye fine but after say na do dan kwa go fado siwie ne se o debi akonta man sa ne mankoyi and na ye say enyo no nko a ya chini associate omo no mo kan ho ne omo yadwuma ba ko on just say to na no enti charges na dey bomb the same charges na money laundering fraud and friends causing financial loss to the state and then false certification and no year na dey gusu a dey bomb enti akonta man is ho nsem da so bomb gold no diamond nsem ne ho e friend say precia for ne nimo to phone nsem mi chama gold mu gusu mutu enti sai illegal miners for gusu mutu Blue guard, friends, blue water guard for John Dramani Mahama. The security team na say nkobo nso ba na e prevent galamsey no so mu yo moduma e she chan fine bom de na so still galamsey koso Hanabisu so ye adwuma still galamsey arokodo hwe sesa ye na when asami dem fi say okay wo be ye galamsey no benye gold no mum na mbom no ba beto ma ya hwe enti ono sami dem fi aka kire say ye kan kire galamsey fu na ne say John Dramani Mahama approve say he create a new task force. A new task force God no benya na say we free Ghana and galamsey. O say this kwaya na galamsey the free Ghana. Papa so beton dey ma India for China for. Na nka omode aba ade betwam afa border straight fine. No more to kwanya emfa because the only source seller I wo Ghana nipa ba ko for timi ton gold. About in terms of small entities, ayo or not Ghana buy a gold board. And the way they are gold number 2, Udime Vanco. What the Belcoso of a bread, it may be necessary kind of amount as what I'm not for you, say.
But for those who are hell bent on trading illegally without a license, we are serving notice that we are coming after you. On the 8th of July, His Excellency the President, on whose vision the Gold Board has been established, will commission a very important unit of the Ghana Gold Board. This will be a public event and the media is cordially invited. This event is going to be the inauguration of the Gold Board Task Force. So 8th July at 8:30 a.m. at the National Security Secretariat, popularly called Blue Gate. There is a yard in there somewhere where this event will be taking place and the media is cordially invited. Further details about this program will be put out there. It's a very important program because on that day the president will adore this new security task force who have the same powers as police officers and who have been given a special and specific mandate to help the state combat and defeat the phenomenon of gold smuggling, the canker of gold smuggling, the canker of illegal gold trading, and price disruptions that deprive the state of the needed revenue, the needed profits, the needed forex for our economy and the development of our country as a whole.
Now when NDC, if you chairman, you can say, hey. MPP regional chairman rather. You say ugo pay central western region wa ajankopo. Papa say o tu galam say ye o tutu o timi tu atu ko urasi. And then say MPP go eno anya ni sikari irati. Afa na recover kakra na karo. Ogusu o tu ni gidi. O tu ni gidi. There's
You look at when we flew our drones, if you look at the enclave, you see mining spots within the forest area. And so it tells you that definitely this is not the first time. But we have been following up on this mining activity within the Anyasu East. In fact, it is off reserve, but is at the tail end of the Anyasu East Forest Reserve. And it's in the town of Diaso in the western region. Now, we have been monitoring them for some time now. They have military personnel protecting them. They have mounted a barrier manned by fully clothed military men and some people wielding a number of weapons, parading as national security operatives. And if you look at the scale of destruction, this mining has been going on for months within that particular enclave. We have submitted these footages to the necessary authorities who should know. And we were expecting that something would have been done by now, but we have not heard anything from them. And that is why we are also putting out this information. So yes, it's a secret mining, illegal mining enclave. I say illegal because we have checked. It's totally unregistered. the people operating in that enclave do not have any license whatsoever to be mining there, but already they've dug pits close to about 15 football fields.
Now, she say gold boy for the person what in the end gold for gold in Munya Bidiano say Sami Janfi say yan can check Ghana for as an acting CEO and as the chief executive officer. And the gold board no can check Ghana for say. As it stands now, since January 7th, John Dramani Mama Jane, Nano Pukubefa, Ghana by Amamuno. Oma exporting as much as 50 tons of gold. 50 tons of gold into Ghana as this Keko. Just say the gold no cocoa this cabasa. Into the economy, you see, and because we appreciate you over the dollar. Into your Ghana and your dada. Fancy, the beer by your fine. Everything is correct. All correct, sir. I just say, be good. Hey, what? Eti, Sami Janfi say yanka yakuma to him. Wama makuma to me ye. Wama makuma to me ye. God bofwe. Jejo mama pena maye. Mama yakuma to ye. Obisgana for yakuma to ye na. If ze ne gold no ya ton 50 tons, ye de kwa still. Dollars in the baby say Ghana, your currency, your friends say, your foot to mama, I want my city now preach it more. And to be very fine. Anyway, guys, okay. What is the difference between the value of gold and the value of life? I want to pay for no money to me answer question. John the money, mama, and to answer. Nana don't go for 20 months. A chama won't me, auntie me answer. Or more, young penny for more Ghana holiday. To gold, need I want to me answer because one. Gold is luxurious. Yes, phone, smartphones maybe the gold near ye, your ring guy they say answer the gold near ye, your chains, your necklace, the gold near ye, your other commodities the gold and correct. But there is no way without phone. Na ye need there have never been a time in the world I need I survive here. But there was a time without phone we survived. People were alive. People lived. They were happy. They enjoyed. Ghana, Ubedi say all the Galamsey side. According to Momo, you're not seeing any anymore. Food and Drugs Board before. I'd yet to my country preoccupied to Nibian was say. And now we will be out to Galamsey side as an Krogwa, Wasa Kropon, Wasa, what friends say, Kenya say, what you Obuase, Prisia, Bibiani, and I say, Ote, Bogoso, Honina, Sabe be a go site in Nakai. Sa auto banti baire auto friends and moko e de bi intos auto friends and nadua auto jenny aduaba bia ye too free from e bia e di bia no the likelihood so with manya cancer high because Galamsey nso na every Galamsey wono ba ye dey spread sprays and niema ninti no ama ene ye natie na anka e di aduane e bo aduane na ma nwan na fi na ti ma ba no ina ya affected with mercury and it's another. And because of that, and the central region, eastern region, Ahafo region, Ashanti region, baby a tattoo go to Pano, a month for Baby Yare, and Colabia and Colanca and can say kidney dear, and Kaobra boy and our money, you know, and some no more weed, no more jot, no more tobacco, no more friend saying painkillers, we and it's Anyaman and Emma kidney liver, nay, and home problems, cancer. You say it mean any cancer chenkwala but certain cancers are and chenkwala they say we habit to be a upotry e manachewo but because of Galamsey so ya aye make nation that intino enne e chenkwala enyankwala ye wo mu amuti ye 3 omonsa ye 7 omona ye 3 ne 4 no aye enkwala omusa nya extra kidney liver cancer issues and to go ni ebetu ebenya Scania Rebecca, dollar be depreciate, city may improve. But what is the benefit of the dollar? What is the benefit of the city appreciating if there's no one to live? Ghana, a more metima currency and musu, say, Cassie and Tunsu, infra bra, mammy, sister, papa, a new 10%, or moon 500,000 out of the over 30 million population. Now, I can be an ecoton those grannies and so. Those 10 Ghana is 10 to so. Ya mean you know a cinema wedding. We yan ego to nzua. Ye be krabana nzuo no baako 1000 Ghana. bottle bag 10 obetimato wakatwe ya he enti emena so se galamsey ye sorry tia enye ndis enye MPP.
I would be blunt, very blunt. What we are discussing now didn't start today. It started about 25 to 30 years ago. The records are there. 25 to 30 years ago. And indeed, where we've got to, if governments don't work on it, then what will happen next? No one can get. A clear explanation has been made by the researcher. Very clear explanations have been made by the medical doctor there. So I don't have to go over them. Now, we started destroying our water bodies and the forest years ago, as I said. Believe it or not, as we stand now, governments have come and gone. Not a single government has made the effort to stamp this out. And what surprises me is that they campaign on this, they come to power, and they don't do anything about it.
Including the current government?
I say any government, including the present government.
Say diga na funya. A national crisis. Yen focus say a national crisis then solve it. Because once and for all, solve it. Yen swa yen nya ye no no. E be ni ni yewu. Ene Galam say bubuja. Yetime chairman for machine no mo de abeto a video. John Mahama ya ye machines. Eso mu jama ye. Yanya task force for omo protect Galamsey for no video open video the camera see omani so and the task force soldier for be no navy for be no blue water guard for be no ni na kuzi say ye try amount for this special piece because they are doing a special duty. Meanwhile there's no special benefit agana yenya wey me na ka truth me how need there amini e ka me pa kama Galamsey nsem no de eba ho anye ndis enye MPP asem wo ye ojo mama wo ye nanado wo ye obamia but at the end of the day enso aminu me ti wo me ti ko to nso fra buchire menye 2 million Ghana cedis because wo ye Ghana now 50,000 Ghana cedis even a month enso e kasi yen ko to nso wo ko to nso ko to aduane ni na beton foreign land ko to say untimi no nso wa ha untimi tontos wa ha untimi no entop body ne bayre wa ha ni na beton outside na yetia na kakra kura free aba no nye to kakra free buchire no sai na ye na ye ko fani na aba me hauni ni na mi naked truth ni fa also the to comment section na say sai ana ofini about Galamsey enkoye ne ye de a new survey e de aba say amanfo a omo ye at risk all the mining sectors omo di nnuane bi say banche bayre a friend is saying Jenny, friends, tomatoes, aduaba bi etufuru from biara. Omo say omo chances of getting kidney and liver. E wo hanti Mahama Kennedy this cano. Maka asa kan bi enso bia, endu bia. Enso ne pattern kwa because yana ebe yare ebe do so pa.
I can't say that. Some can move from here. Eh? Boss. There you go, evidence. That's a car. Boss, I'm looking at you. I'm sure Mr. Fale.
Officer, take the bag in. Take the bag. Get in there.
Do a jam.
No, bring the key here. Come on. No, keep an idea, man. Hey.
I got battery in there. What's in
Officer.
Move that speaker, put it on the seat so that you can drop your machine down.
Come on. Leave there. Come, your pension. Massa.
Then you have to move that speaker, put it in on the car seat, and then drop the ear. That's You will want us.
No. For comment section, I say, we are subscribe, like it, share, catch you. I say, also on Naked Truth, our old Burger Trends. Edino na so back up. Numero 1. Maxi Billion. Naked Truth, Burger Trends, Macau. Bye bye.